Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a signature in Google Docs. I want you to go ahead and place your cursor anywhere that you want to add your signature. So let's say I want to add my signature right here. I come click here. As you can see, my cursor is here. Click on insert and then hover over drawing. Click on new. Okay. And what I need you to do, you see this option, this arrow, down arrow next to this line. Select this and then click on scribble. Now we're going to draw a signature. So I'll do William. There you go. This is my signature. Okay. So this is the signature. This is what it would look like. And all you need to do, guys, is save and close. Once we do save and close, you'll see it would come as an image. We can easily resize the signature as you see fit, right? If you want to reduce the size, come here to the edges and drag it to the left to make it smaller. Look at this. So this is what it would look like. And it's really that easy and simple.